Hello viewers, I am Orko Probo and he is my friend Akash. Today we are gonna unbox this iPad Air 4 and we'll give you a first impression about the product. So without further ado,
let's get started.
and welcome to Next Tech. Subscribe our channel Next Tech for more quality tech videos and press the bell icon and press all to get notified every time I upload a new video. Here is the outer box packaging by Apple, as we have ordered this iPad from official Apple website, and really Apple's unboxing experience is really out of the world. It's very smooth. And now here comes the iPad's box, iPad Air written on the sides and Apple logo on top and bottom. So now let me unwrap the package. Again, it's a very smooth experience. So first off, we get the iPad itself here in the space grey color. This is the 64GB variant. After that, we do get a flap compartment. It says designed by Apple in California, and inside the packaging, here is some documentation about the iPad, and here are the two mandatory Apple stickers. And then we get a 20-watt USB Type-C charger. Here you can see the rating, and after that we do get a Type-C to Type-C charging cable. It was probably the best part of this video. So this is the iPad Air itself in the space grey color and it looks pretty elegant. Let me give you a physical overview about the iPad. And at the right side you do get the volume rockers, and here is the Apple Pencil attachment, and like at the downside here are the two speakers, dual speakers over there, and Type-C charging port. At the left side it's neat and clean. At the upper side there is also dual speakers, and here is a microphone, and here is the power button with the Touch ID. Now moving to the back, so here is like this engraving by Apple, and here is a microphone, and here is a camera, here is the Apple logo, here is the iPad branding, and here is the keyboard attachment over there on the iPad. Now at the front part there's a 10.9-inch screen over there, and here is a 7-megapixel selfie shooter. Now I'm booting the device for the first time, and here Apple logo flashes, and now let me set the region and Apple ID while you people will go through the quick specs. Now let's talk about the display. So it has a 10.9-inch display with IPS LCD panel and has 1640 into 2360 pixel ratio, and it also has True Tone feature, and it has 500 nits of brightness, so it's fairly visible in daylight situation. This iPad Air 4 has Apple's newest A14 Bionic chip, which is a 5nm based processor. Long story short, it should be very smooth and very powerful, will not cause any problem during day-to-day usage. Even for graphics intensive tasks, it will be very smooth. Now if I talk about the battery, Apple claims that it has a lithium polymer battery which will run up to 10 hours during multimedia usage, so it must be adequate. And as of now it is not showing any battery related data cause this is its first boot. Now if I talk about the storage, here I'm going to settings, general, iPad storage. So after its first boot without any third-party app installed, you do get around 51 GB space free out of 64 GB. So it is to give you an idea that how much storage do you get out of the box in this iPad Air 4. Here is my friend Akash is recognizing his fingerprint. The fingerprint scanner is at the right place and it's very good, very fast, and it also need like 1.5 seconds to unlock, which is quite good. Now let's move to the cameras of this iPad. So it has a 12 megapixel rear camera, which is the main camera of the iPad Pro, the same one, and this rear cam is also able to shoot pano, time lapse and slow motion, and it does also have a 7 megapixel of front camera. And here I'm clicking the first ever image and you can see the quality. Let me also take a rear cam sample and it came out like this. I have attached more camera sample in this later part of the video, so please go through the whole video. Now let's see some samples. So here are some daylight sample, and here is a close-up sample. Here is a human subject sample. Here is a daylight selfie. Here is a indoor samples, and here is a human indoor. Here is a selfie indoor sample. Hello viewers, I am recording this video from iPad Air 4, and the audio you are hearing is currently coming from the microphone of iPad Air 4. Let me know in the comment section that how is the video quality of rear camera of iPad Air 4. Hello viewers, I am Orko Prabhu, and here I am recording this front camera footage video from iPad Air 4, and let me know in the comment section about the quality. The audio is directly coming from the microphone of iPad Air 4. So that's it for today guys, and do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this iPad Air 4. And as I said, he is my friend Akash and it is his iPad, so the full credit of the video goes to him. Hope you like the video, then press the like button, share this video as much as possible cause I need your support as a new YouTuber, and subscribe our channel Next Tech to get more interesting and quality tech videos, and press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye.
Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. Just